Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford. This is part 2 of 3 on my YouTubes of maintaining, starting, and improving. These are all nuances, semantics, but how do you start a healthy lifestyle? You're gonna wanna get really aware of where you're currently at. So if you're lost or you feel stuck, think of it as if you're lost in, you're navigating a new area or whatever, you first have to figure out where you're at. So say you get into a car accident, God, hopefully you don't, but you get into some sort of accident and you call for help. They need to know where you're at. They can't help you unless they know your exact location. So in any intervention or any coaching practice that I start, they're gonna wanna ask, well, let's look at the current reality. Any financial consult, any physical consult, anything, if you're being assessed for anything, we have to assess reality. And a lot of times, there's a lot of shame, a lot of embarrassment, a lot of, I don't wanna face reality. It's too painful. And maybe because you grew up with a reality that you weren't safe to be yourself. If you weren't safe to be you from a really young age, reality is going to be that much harder to face because it's painful. So you're going to want to find spaces that make it okay to be you. And I can speak this from experience. You want to find a space that it's okay to be you, and then change can slowly happen. It's hard, and if you're brave enough to do the work, if you're courageous enough to do that transformational work, it is life-changing, where you won't need to start a new plan. So in order to start a lifestyle that is truly transformational, not just another quick fix, you want to get really patient and kind and assess where you're at. And that just takes time. Relationship with yourself, reality check, whatever you want to call it, takes a lot of time, a lot of compassion, and it's worth it because you are worth it. So finding someone that you can trust, learning to trust yourself, that will first be a really good start to a healthy lifestyle. Okay, stick around for part 3.